The story of Ritonavir is the ultimate scientific ghost story, a tale of a shape-shifting molecule that nearly vanished, threatening thousands of lives. The miracle and the mutation. In 1996, Ritonavir launched as a breakthrough protease inhibitor against HIV. For 2 years, it was a medical triumph, existing in a reliable molecular arrangement known as Form 1. Then, in 1998, the impossible happened. Entire batches of the drug suddenly failed to dissolve. Scientists looked at original samples that had been stable for years and found they too had transformed. The drug was dying. The infection of Form 2. The molecule had discovered a new way to stack itself, Form 2. This new crystal structure was more energetically stable than the original, but it was virtually insoluble in the human body. Worse, Form 2 behaved like a molecular virus. Once a single seed crystal formed in a lab, it drifted through the air and taught every other ritonavir molecule it touched to rearrange. Form 2 quickly infected manufacturing plants across the globe, rendering the original formula useless. The lockdown. The crisis was so severe that Abbott Laboratories had to take extreme measures. Quarantine. Scientists exposed to Form 2 were banned from clean labs to prevent cross-contamination. The hunt. Production moved to Italy to escape the contagion, but Form 2 followed, appearing there within weeks. The solution. Science couldn't undiscover the stable Form 2. Instead, researchers had to abandon the old capsules entirely. They developed a refrigerated liquid and eventually a specialized melt-extrusion process that locked the molecules in a glass-like state, preventing them from ever crystallizing again. The legacy. Ritonavir remains chemistry's greatest cautionary tale. It proved that even after a drug is approved, the laws of physics can change, forcing us to account for the hidden, disappearing shapes of matter.